You can't come to court like that no more.
Did you think you were coming to the club today?
No, sir.
This is a courthouse.
Yes, sir.
I don't see a disco ball, man. For real.
I just got off
Don't
work.
come like this again.
Yes, sir.
I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol.
Whoa, this judge is not playing games today. I don't see a disco ball. That's not just sass, that's courtroom fire. And now a bond condition for alcohol and drug testing? Quick legal note, judges can absolutely impose those conditions if they suspect substance abuse might impact compliance. But what do you think? Is that fair based on how he showed up, or was that too harsh? Sound off in the comments.
Or illegal drugs, and I want to send you for a test now.
Yes, sir.
I want to know what, if anything, that you're going to test. And if I find that you pick up any new cases, I'm going to go absolutely bonkers on your bond. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
I'd like to send her for a test now and have her come back.
Yes, sir.
Judge, also she spelled on her second no-show for copy. She spelled to appear twice.
I called them the day of, and they've rescheduled it for April the 14th.
Can you verify it? Can you
Because-
verify that?
Yes, sir.
We'll now make that a condition as well. Okay,
I'll send an email.
please. Okay. Mr. D, or John D, come on.
Judge, I am approaching you on Ms. Crawford.
Okay.
And there are two things, Judge. There was a BVR notice sent a few weeks ago, and
She here?
yes, she's there, Judge. She's in the, you want to bring her up, or do you want me to just? It was for a,
Sent her for a test as well. She failed to go for one.
right, Judge, I just want to let you know that she didn't have transportation. Her car broke down, but she went right back the following day to try to do it.
Okay.
And it's all documented. She emailed me and all that stuff. I mean, text me. No, right. So I told her that. And so she did try. It's my,
Come up, ma'am.
Judge, she was set for a drug test already.
Okay.
For Crawford?
Yeah.
Negative.
it's negative drug test, Judge. So,
Good
Thank you for
morning.
testing negative. Good job. The next time you miss, don't. You
Yeah.
have a lawyer. We've given you a lawyer. If there's ever any issues, reach out to him and he can help you out. If they call you again and you miss again, it's not going to go well. Okay? All right.
Judge, the other thing I want to let you know is she is like, PTI bound. We had a miscommunication because she sent me her application, but it went into my junk mail. So I never got it, but I found it today. We just need a little bit of time for me to forward that and not do it.
Yeah, you got it. Okay. So
Thank you, Judge.
For application?
Yes.
Judge, we can do it. Go ahead.
Well, I've got the application.
No.
It's done.
Oh, it's done.
I need
It's
to,
submitted.
right.
Okay. Guys, you ready? Thanks for being patient.
Yes.
It's going well, Judge.
Tell me
Yourself?
something nice.
Yeah, Judge. We're here on Disaki, Dissake.
Okay?
He's getting us mitigation, Judge. He's in good contact.
No, you've had it till December. He doesn't have it done still?
He's gotten some things in.
Please, is it yes or no?
To me today.
No, Judge.
And I'm rolling it to tomorrow. And I'm gonna roll it every single day until he gets it done.
The only thing I asked, Judge, is I'm out of county tomorrow. Can we just at least,
Zoom.
can we do it Wednesday? But
No.
it's not a,
He's gotta be here. You can Zoom.
Okay.
I have Zoom for you. But since December, we're
Yes, sir.
now in March 17th.
I
You want a
know,
back rub too?
I can,
Really? Not you.
I can't make him,
No,
Judge.
so he's coming back tomorrow and every single day until he gets it done. Okay,
Let him know. Thank you, Judge.
I love you, man. All right, ready?
So reapproaching on Mr. Gonzalez.
Mr. Lord Crawford, you're charged with,
Is John D on Zoom? Not, I can email him.
he's on bond for theft and now he picked up a new case. Am I right?
Yes, Judge, the BVR was filed on the 12th. Hold on, Judge, I'm looking at the
No.
wrong one. Are you looking at Crawford, Lord?
Lord Crawford. No, okay, he's on felony probation, that's what it was. Mr. Crawford, you're charged with theft, you're charged with evading arrest, You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine on the evading case. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine on the theft case. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. What time did he get to court today?
But I'm not sure, but he was definitely late. We marked everybody in one color, and when it switches colors, then we did.
Court starts at 8:30. It doesn't start at 9:02, 10:22, 11:51. It starts at 8:30. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm just telling you for future reference.
Yes, sir.
It starts at 8:30. It doesn't start at Mr. Crawford's time, our time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. On March 11th, 2025, officers were dispatched to a theft in progress call and made contact with the complainant, the asset protection employee, who advised that multiple males were inside the business and were actively stuffing items inside bags and their pants. Upon arrival, the officers were in a fully marked uniform and fully marked patrol vehicles and saw two males run outside the store location. The defendant was observed carrying two shoe boxes while running. A foot pursuit commenced and the defendant dropped the shoe boxes and continued running for approximately 120 yards. The defendant attempted to jump a gate, at which point he was detained. The officer reviewed surveillance and observed the defendant enter the store, grab the shoe boxes, and then run past all points of sale while holding the stolen items. The total was $229.98.
Where from?
Gonna verify that. I see WSS is the name of the business.
It's a retail store, Your Honor.
Do you have co-defendants?
Let me see, Your Honor. No, Your Honor. There's no other connected cases.
Mr. Crawford, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with both of your cases, and I'm ordering you not to go back to the store. I'm also ordering you not to consume.
Let's pause. Did you hear that? The judge gave Mr. Crawford 2 weeks to get his life in order, and he made it very clear, straighten up and fly right. Reminder, when you're on felony probation, any new charge, even something minor, can trigger a major violation. One mistake? You're looking at years behind bars. That 2-week window? It's a ticking time bomb.
Alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. If I find that you're using, it's not going to go well for you.
Yes, sir.
What do you do for a living?
Currently trying to go back to school.
So what are you doing with yourself nowadays?
I'm helping my dad at home. He's
Time for you now to get a full-time job.
Yes, sir.
And I'm going to bring you back in 2 weeks, and I want to see what you have done. If you've done nothing on either case, it's not going to go well. Do you understand?
Sir. Could I ask a question?
I'm not here to play around, and I hope that you're taking this seriously. You're on felony probation, and you're looking at up to 10 years in prison, and you've now picked up 2 cases. It's very possible they file a felony warrant for your arrest because of these 2 new cases, and you could be sitting in felony court for a very long time in custody because of these 2 new cases. Do you get my drift?
Yes, sir.
Straighten up and fly right, or it's not going to go well for you. So, we'll have him fill out an application, and then I want him back in 2 weeks. I'm going to test you. Get ready. If you use, it's really not going to go well for you. If you pick up a 4th case, I will absolutely lose my shicer. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, come on, Deputy Miranda, please. Mr. Horn, you are charged with harassment. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. On March 6, 2025, the officer was dispatched to a residence in Harris County, Texas, in response to a telephone harassment type call. Upon arrival, the officer spoke with the complainant, who stated that the defendant is the complainant's ex-husband, saying threatening messages toward her, such as, "You better watch your back," and "This is a threat." The defendant advised the complainant to kill yourself, and the officer also observed a message saying, "You better run for the rest of your life because you're fucked." The complainant advised the officer that these messages did place her in fear of bodily injury, and the officer observed ongoing messages from the defendant.
Your Honor, may I speak?
No.
Yes, sir.
But may I add the probable cause? May I add something probable cause?
So we have here the complainant that she's been receiving many text messages on her cell phones by the defendant, who's a complainant's ex-husband, saying, you better watch your back. This is a threat. I guess he told her to go kill herself. What else? Did you have something you wanted to add?
Well, the other thing I wanted to add, Your Honor, was after the law enforcement officer spoke with the complainant, they called the defendant. Defendant told them he was just angry, didn't want to hurt her, and then after they got off the phone, he texted him 8 more times.
Okay. Mr. Horn, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. I see a dismissed, hey, Blaze? Blaze,
Sorry.
I see a dismissed aggravated assault. Tell me that's the same complaining witness.
It is the same complaint.
Smoke signals, Fortnite, or your aunt from your cousin 3 times removed. This judge is going full Shakespeare meets FBI watch list. But seriously, the message is clear: no contact means no contact. When a court says stay away, every attempt to reach out becomes evidence. How would you handle it if your co-parent was involved? Would you risk jail time just to send a text?
Let me just check, Your Honor, but it's the same name.
Mr. Horn, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause. I'm now going to put an ankle monitor on you so I know where you are at all times and you're not to have any contact with this person whatsoever. If I find that you have any contact, and I don't care what it is, I don't care if it's Fortnite, I don't care if it's Snapchat, I don't care if it's text message, I don't care if it's a smoke signal, I don't care if it's your aunt from your cousin's three times removed. If I find that you tried to contact her from any means, I will deem you a public danger. I'm going to put you in jail, and I'm going to make your bond so high it'll split the clouds. Do you understand? I will do everything in my power to protect my city at all costs. I don't care what color. They're a small farm animal. I don't give a rat's behind. Don't say anything. The only thing I'm trying to impart to you is that life is way too short to live in a 6x9 box because of a person, a thing, woman, whatever it is. Get over it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. That is the second punch, Your Honor.
Right. Because of the aggravated assault, I'm going to put a GPS monitor and I'm going to order no contact, no going within 1,000 feet of where she lives or where she works. Would you mind reaching out to her, letting her know all the conditions that we've set forth so that she knows, you know, in the event that we have further contact, we can take the appropriate action, please?
Absolutely.
I'm also ordering you, Mr. Horn, not to be in possession of weapons.
Your Honor, may I please just say something?
Just, you have the right to remain silent.
Yes, sir.
Now is the time for you to exercise that right. I know you want to say something, but that's why we have lawyers. You will get a lawyer, okay? You can explain your side to the lawyer, and the lawyer can talk to the DAs. They can talk to me. Now, this is not the appropriate forum. Mr. Horn, I'm telling you, I know that there's always 2 sides to the story. And if there wasn't, you'd be in jail right now.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean?
I understand.
Right. You are out in the free world now. The only thing I'm asking you to do is don't have contact with this person. I'm not asking you to split the atom, not to do Pythagorean's theorem. Don't have contact. It's extremely easy. I don't care what you have to do. I don't care what you have to say. There's no justification you can give for trying to contact this person. Do you have a child with this person?
2, sir.
Okay. So you need to use an intermediary. That's what you need to do.
I'm just trying to divorce, so we're not even divorced, so.
I'm not going to talk to you.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes, sir.
don't want to
Understand.
talk to you. I do want to talk about it. As a father, you should have access to your child. Every father should have full access to their child, just like the mother. It doesn't matter if you're wearing pants, if you're wearing a skirt. None of that matters. You should get access. But I don't want you to have contact with her and using the kids as an excuse. You need to find an intermediary somehow How old are you?
29. I have suppressors. I have SPRs. What do I do with all that stuff, sir?
Stop.
You ordered me not to have weapons, and I.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
I don't want you to have weapons. So, do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
I have 2 working for me right now. One's for the divorce, one for some speeding tickets. I can hire a 3rd lawyer. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm a concrete plant manager.
Okay. So what I can do is I can give you an application for an appointed lawyer to see whether you qualify. I don't know. I give lawyers to nearly everyone here so that there's no excuse. But you still have to qualify because there are guidelines that I have to follow. So Deputy Miranda will give you an application now. I can have you fill it out. I will take a look to see whether you qualify. If you don't, I just can't give you a lawyer, right? And you'll be required to go hire lawyers. So, but be it as it may, don't have contact with this person. I don't care that you have children with this person. Don't use that as an excuse. You need to understand that I know that you want to see the kids. There's got to be a way to work it out, but no means no. You're the one that's going to end up in jail. All right, Deputy Miranda is going to give you an application. I'll have you sign a reset with Victoria. We'll have you get with Felicia with your bond conditions, then I'll take a look at the application.
Judge, how much is the bond?